In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Far Far West game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device, and once you are taken into the store page, go ahead and click on the search box, and now type in Far Far West to begin your search. Once you find the game, just click on it, and you will be taken into the game page, where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Now, the game is still in early access, so you may run into some bugs. In order to download, click on the Add to Cart button. You can then click on View My Cart in order to continue towards your payment. Now you have the option to use your Steam Wallet balance or any one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Just fill up your credentials followed by your billing information, and you can save this for later use as well. Once you click on Continue and finalize your transaction, the game will be added to your library. Then from your library, you can choose your install location to begin the download and installation of the game. Once it is completed, you may start enjoying the Far Far West game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Far Far West. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.